Hello guys, welcome back to Anisha YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Sophos Firewall in VMware, and you can use it for practice. Here you can know how to configure site-to-site VPN, remote access VPN, internet access. So you become a network engineer. So now let's start. Then you go there, this link. After that, you see Sophos Firewall OS. You see this is for hardware, and you see virtual installer Firewall OS for VMware. Then you download this. You see, I've started to download it. So guys, after finishing to download this, I'm going to show you how to install it in VMware and how you can configure internet access, how to create a virtual IPs, how to do site-to-site VPN, how to do remote access. You become network engineer for real. So already finished to download this. It took some time. You see there is 13 minutes left, but it goes. So guys, as you see, we have finished to download our image virtual installer. This is for VMware. So now what we need is to let's copy it and let's move it to C. So now let's call it Sophos. The Sophos, let's paste it here. Then let's extract all. So after extracting this, coming on VMware, you see, this is a VMware. I already have a Sophos. I have a FortiGate. I have already installed the FortiGate. I will show you how to create a site-to-site VPN between FortiGate and Sophos. So now we are going to create Sophos Firewall in a VMware. So we do open. We come on D. So Sophos, come on this for exporting. We have to choose that one. Guys, are you looking where? We have to choose this SF virtual VMware. Then open. Name of virtual machine, let's call it Sophos, and then we import. You see, now we have a Sophos. Have a FortiGate here. I show you that also. So now this is a Sophos. So let's say after finishing to import it, what we are going to do, Firewall must have at least more than one interface. So we are going to edit this virtual machine. You see, we have built the other 3 interfaces. So one is going to be for, let's make it run. This one, let's make it run. Let's use a custom, and let's use this one for host only. For host inside this VM. Then for this A3, let's replicate physical connection. Okay, now let's do okay. So after that, what we are going to do, we are going to power on our Sophos Firewall. So now let's wait until it loads. Let's wait.